What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. And today is September 23, 2021 and we are on the 27th, which is fear. Yesterday was extreme fear. Probably it would be a great time to buy, guys. Now we are in fear. CoinGecko today, I see, so Bitcoin is 3% up. Ethereum is 5.1% up. Cardano is 5.7% up. And XRP Solana is 11.8% up. Avalanche is 22.2% up today. Terra Luna 28.8% up. Cosmos 23.5% up. Algorand, ICP, Tezos 21.2% up. Yeah, yesterday was a great time to buy, guys. Extreme fear. Top gainers of the day, we have Terra Luna, AR, Atom, Avalanche, Tezos, Celo, Osmo, Near. And our top losers, not really. There's no top losers today, guys. Top gainers of the week, we have Olympus, Celo, Deso, Avax, Omi, Atom, Shiba. Oh, Shiba is doing great. 11.3% up. Yeah, great day today, guys. Top losers of the week, we have Sushi, SNX, Aave, HBAR, ICX, Rune, Mina, Compound, Uniswap. Hey guys, what are the most bullish and bearish months of Bitcoin? A seasonality case study. Since May, guys, I told you guys June would be a red month and July, August would be a green month, and September we could see a red candle for the whole month. But we'll see, guys. But if that happened, don't worry about it. October, November, December would be a green month. Okay guys, before we go to the chart, if you can like and share my videos, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss my updates. So Bitcoin on the monthly chart, we still have a red candle. Probably next month, guys, we'll see our green candles, but there's no guarantee, guys. Okay, Bitcoin, talk about this bearish flag here and our elliottewave ABC correction. And I actually posted this one last September 20th, and the price was still here and it dropped here. So I think the wave already completed. Let's see. It might still go down, guys. So supposed to be my target was, if you measure the flagpole here, and come here. So almost reached actually. So I think this one is already, C wave is already complete. Bullish scenario, we might see the 5 waves to the upside. So let's see. But so our bearish scenario though, we have this megaphone pattern. So yeah guys, there's no guarantee. I'm just sharing my opinion. So I posted this one last September 13 here on TradingView. So we might see the price go down here, bounce here, something like that, and before we take off and go to the moon. This is just a presumption, there's no guarantee. Ethereum on the daily chart, I see a descending channel here. So well, we might still see the price go down here at 0.618, which is 2,568, somewhere there, and before we go to the moon. Guys, this is just my personal opinion. Bitcoin dominance, we have a inverted cup and handle. Right now it's forming a candle. Last video we were just somewhere here and now we were here already. So I think something like that, I guess. So right now it's creating a flag formation here. Okay guys, so Bitcoin dominance is actually just Bitcoin versus altcoins. So if Bitcoin dominance drops, it means altcoins will go up. So crypto index, we counted this one 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have our ABC correction. So possibly if this one is right, we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside. That is our bullish scenario, guys. Let's see, looks like it's creating a flag formation here or a triangle. Okay, it's creating a triangle or a pennant right now, guys. So let's see if the price will break to the upside. So Rune, it's on a bullish flag. It's an ugly bullish flag, but whatever. So looks like last time we were just right here, and now our target would be somewhere at $16. Matic, it's we are on this triangle here. Let's see if the price will create a diamond here too, and it will go to the upside. So let's monitor the price. But if you're investing, then just buy, guys. I believe cryptocurrency is the future, so but it's up to you guys. Solana, yes, we predicted the price will we're waiting for the price of Solana to go down here at somewhere at 120. And actually I made a video of it. Let's see the video. Yes, this one, September 17th video. So we were here, somewhere here, and we're waiting for the price to go down here at so there you go, guys. We were waiting for the price somewhere here, which is 0.618, and we're here now at the 0.618, and it already went up. So that was the best entry there, guys. 0.618. And Cardano, it went already on 0.618, and we are just waiting to the price to go up. Let's see, our target would be 370, somewhere there for now. Okay, AVAX, it already broke on this flag formation here, so it's already here. This is actually one of my, if you watch my previous videos, this is one of my buy. Check this video, guys. Crypto gems to buy and hold. This video I made it 6 days ago. Dogecoin, this would be my count. 1 2 3 4 5. We're still on the wave 2, so let's see. This is just a presumption, guys. Shiba is just doing sideways. They are still a good buy as long as it doesn't break on this trend line, so we might still see the price go up. This one looks like a bullish flag, but kind of ugly though, but whatever. Luna, I'm not sure. 1 2 3 4 5, extended fourth wave, third wave, extended third wave, and now in the fifth wave. It could be on the correction phase now. Okay, guys, I'm not sure about Luna, so just be careful on Luna, guys. I'm not confident on the chart. Okay, dot, we went for this ABC correction. Now we're on the first wave. Let's see if the price will go for a second wave. Right now we're just waiting for this. Currently it's on the ascending channel, so let's see if the price will break on this ascending channel and go somewhere here at $18. Let's check the Fibonacci. Okay, let's see somewhere here, guys. 0.618. Let's see, but there's a resistance here, so I just presume there's a resistance here, so bounce back to this resistance somewhere here, guys, or somewhere here. Let's see, guys. Let's monitor the price. So we have a flat here, ABC. So we have a flat. I'll see. 1 2, so probably, okay, guys, chain link. Let's see the Fibonacci. Yes, it's a great buying opportunity, guys. Well, let's see if the third wave. See, guys, this one, let's see if this one will play it out. But right now it's already on 0.618, which is a great buying opportunity here at somewhere here at $22. It's already here. So, guys, chain link, definitely add to my portfolio. Coty on cup and handle, it lag formation here. Let's go to the weekly then. So on the weekly we have 1 2 3 4 5. Let's see if we go for the fifth wave, which is $4.68. We do have a lag formation here, so yeah, guys, looks like a good buy. Oh, but by the way, this is technically incorrect. The fourth wave touched the first wave. Technically incorrect for elliottewave, but sometimes it happens. Yeah, guys, but looks like a good buy. Let's see we might see the price somewhere at our first target would be the top of the all-time high. We might get a double tap, so just be careful, guys. But if we break on this all-time high, then our target would be somewhere here, the top of the channel here. Guys, if there's some cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below, guys. So FTT, we do have this ascending channel, and the price broke on this ascending channel. My count is 1 2 3 4 5. So let's see if the price will break on this trend line though. But for now, I see you might go for a fifth wave, which is, let's see, somewhere here at $47, because this might be a truncated fifth wave. So let's see. If not, it will still go down here, somewhere down here. Just for now, $47. So that's FTX. So Atom, we're already on the fifth wave, so we might see a price correction. ABC to the downside. Looks like it already broke on this trend line. We do have a ABC pattern here though. Okay guys, this is just a presumption. ABC corrections, I might be wrong, but for now, just be careful. Everything, it will depend on the Bitcoin. I mean, a while ago, guys, I showed you some altcoins that are good buys, but it always depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops, most altcoin drops because they are correlated to each other. So just be careful, guys. If you find this video valuable, please like and share my videos. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my updates. And guys, if you have cryptocurrency you want me to add, please comment down below. I do this out of love. Okay guys? Okay, see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye bye.